video, I'll be showing you how you create a group and also a channel on Viber. Simple and easy. So to do that, you see the chat option here. When you launch your Viber, just tap on that. Good. And on here, you can see a new channel and a new group or community is up to you. So now let's tap on the group here. So with the group, you need to add people, up to 50 people before you can start creating the group. You add a name and you're good to go. Yeah. So now let's come here. I don't have any contact on Viber. So let's try creating a channel. So now let's tap on the new channel here. You can see unlimited opportunities and the rest. Just tap on create channel. You add an image. So let's give the channel name this, and description is optional, and age restrictions, you can restrict age, and you can add an image from your gallery. You can see the two options here. It's up to you. I'm not going to add an image. You just tap on the correct button. You just tap on this here to invite people. It's up to you. Yeah. And now let's move to our channel. Simple and easy. So you can see there's the channel we created on Viber. So that's it on how you create a group and also a channel on Viber. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.